question remains, who is the king of the mustard pods? WBULL Radio 98.3 on your FM dial, waking up with the bull in the morning. What's up, y'all? Uncle Bull Cow, back. Anybody that watched the live stream last night? I was completely fine. No cat cramps. My stomach was just gurgling. I think, what'd I eat? 5 pods. I ate a golden prima tally. Those weren't all the way ripe, but they were hot. So, golden prima tally, a little off pheno scorpion, apocalypse scorpion, caramel ghost, and lemon ghostly jalapeno, and half of a yellow jigsaw. My burn was decent. I was, I went in a little panic mode. I had to walk around. I really didn't have to. I could have wrote it out. But anyway, today we're not going to talk about yesterday. Yesterday's gone. We're talking about today. Who's the king of the mustard pods? T-Rex or Gator Jigsaw? And of course, to accompany this, I have, Uncle Bull Cow's breakfast burritos. And don't taint your burrito with any other sauce than Mean Green. So yeah, waking up with the bull. Once again, let's get into the old Gator Jigsaw. Wow. It's the first time I've ever got floralness. I mean, I did bite right into the placenta, but a little bit of floralness there. Not bad. Not as bad as a peach or a chocolate or even a red pod, so really not bad. The Gator Jigsaw is earthy. About as hot as a ghost pepper. I've had a few that real big ones with a big placenta that almost like eating 2 peppers. Are so big. They may be a little bit hotter than a ghost, but not much. Both of these peppers are in this sauce. This sauce does have jalapenos in it also. But, man, the super hots they just bring flavor. Yeah, they bring a little bit of heat, but they bring flavor. That's why my fermented sauces like Monster Mash, Yellow Mash, this one, the average person's going to get a decent burn off of them. They might get a little bit, they might get a little lit and use it sparingly. People that aren't chili heads, the moderate chili heads are going to get enough burn off it to where it's satisfying. The hardcore chili heads, not so much. But they can detect heat, at least, a little bit. So, that's what I was aiming for. Gator Jigsaw, earthy. A little bit of floralness in the placenta. About as hot as a ghost pepper. Now this bad boy. Isn't it just crazy looking? T-Rex mustard. Definitely hotter. Also a little bit earthy, but it has some citrus notes to it, believe it or not. And I believe, from what I heard, so I haven't investigated much, but I guess the T-Rex mustard is just a color variant of the yellow T-Rex. So I guess the yellow was a yellow Douglas and a yellow Bootla cross, and it came out with that crazy pheno, and people effed it out, got the pheno they want. We did have some red ones this year too. Mrs. Boca ate one the other day. It was pretty hot. T-Rex mustard, definitely hotter than the Gator Jigsaw. Definitely hotter. Flavor-wise, I actually like the flavor better than the Gator Jigsaw. I put other pods in this that are similar color. Oh, that's definitely hotter. I'm burning. Golden Prima Tally, 7-pot Evergreen. 7-pot Evergreen are pretty freaking hot. They got the earthiness to them. Boy, down in the placenta though, they got a good amount of floralness. So, oh man, T-Rex is hot. I'm getting lit right now, early in the morning. So, how's everybody doing out there today? If you're watching this and you have never subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell and all that good stuff. Hit the like button. Comment where you're from. We got some events and some stuff coming up soon. I think at this point right now, we need 5 more subscribers to be able to share posts on YouTube, pictures, stuff like that. And so we got some stuff coming up next week. We would like to be able to do that. So if you would be so kind, even go to my channel and share the link to the channel. And just share one of my videos, tell people to subscribe. And yeah. Wow. So, flavor-wise, Gator Jigsaw versus T-Rex. T-Rex wins. Heat-wise, T-Rex wins again. So, I would say if you were looking for a mustard pod to, you want heat and flavor, I would say go with the T-Rex mustard. Definitely. I only got 1 plant of this. I wish I had more. But good pod. You're going to get some floral notes down in the placenta. Like I just bit in the placenta. Floral. But not bad. Not overpowering. Excellent pepper. I actually had bought, I think, a pound or close to it of it dried from somebody. Yeah, about a pound last year of dehydrated T-Rex mustard. And actually parted with some of that powder, and I wish I didn't. Excellent powder. It's good to put that powder in some verde sauce if you want to bring it up and not change the color. So, yeah. Uncle Bull Cow freaking loves you, and you know this.